Welcome to Josna's Recipes, and this is how I make it. Happy Diwali to you all. And after eating sweets, you definitely feel like eating something spicy. So I'm going to make a simple version of Pithla, and it's a little spicy and a very different flavor. So let's try it. So the oil is hot. I'm going to add some mustard seeds, some jeera seeds, nearly 5 to 6 green chilies chopped, then 2 red chilies. Then I'm going to add medium sized onion chopped. I'm going to toss this. Pitla needs to be a little spicy, only then it tastes good, because it's chana dal, that is besan. Now is the time to add little bit of turmeric to this. Don't add too much, otherwise the pitla goes too yellow. Now we'll be adding half a medium sized tomato. To this, we'll be adding some coarse groundnut powder, maybe 1 tablespoon. This amount will serve nearly 4 people. Then look at this. This is 1/2 cup of chana dal atta mixed in water. I just stirred it very well to make a very fine mixture. See, it is very fine, and there are no lumps in it. Now is the time to add salt, uh, half a teaspoon of salt. Just give it a mix. Now we'll add this. So depending on the consistency you want. Sometimes if you're going to eat only with bhakri or roti, it should be a little thick. So add less water. And if you're going to eat with rice, it should be little liquidy. So add little more water. So this is going to turn out just right for both rice and bhakri. So just give it a nice mix. If you want it little spicy, add some more green chilies. And now is the trick. This pitla has red chili powder in it. So add red chili powder, half a teaspoon. If it is too hot, this is Kashmiri red chili powder, so it's not hot. And give it a mix. There is one more ingredient which goes in it. Just let it simmer for a while, then I'm going to add that ingredient. So let us cover this up and cook for a minute or so. So after 1.5 minutes, I'm going to add tamarind pulp, and give it a mix. If you like it little more, you can add depending upon the taste you enjoy. So this is 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp. Now we can add fresh coriander to this. It enhances the taste and flavor. So look at the consistency. This is the right consistency. And because we have added peanuts, it goes a little thick. So I'm going to put this on a slow flame and simmer it for another 1 to 2 minutes. We'll add coriander, freshly chopped and washed. Never forget to wash the coriander because it has mud particles on it. Now our pitla is all ready to be served. So sometimes what I do is, you should add little oil from the sides and then let it simmer. So that also enhances the taste of pitla. So our pitla is ready to be served now. So we'll meet you again with a new recipe. Take care.